How to fix your Spectrum Wi-Fi connection issues.
Hello everyone! In today's guide, we'll discuss how to troubleshoot and fix your Spectrum Wi-Fi when it's connected but not working. It can be frustrating when you're connected to Wi-Fi but can't access the internet. Let's walk through some steps that can help you restore your connectivity.
Check your internet connection.
The first step is to ensure that your Spectrum internet service is active. Use another device that's connected to your network to verify if it can access the internet. If none of the devices on your network can connect, there might be an issue with your Spectrum service, not your individual device.
Restart your devices.
If your other devices can connect, the next step is to restart your device. It could be a simple glitch in your device causing the issue. Also, restart your Spectrum modem and Wi-Fi router. This often helps to clear minor bugs that might be causing connection problems.
Check network settings.
After restarting, if the problem still persists, check your device's network settings. Make sure that your device is properly connected to your Wi-Fi network and that you're not on airplane mode.
Forget and reconnect to your network.
Another step you can take is to forget the network on your device and reconnect. This process refreshes your device's connection to your Wi-Fi network and can often resolve connectivity issues.
Check Spectrum service status.
If you've tried all these steps and still can't connect, you may want to check if there's an outage in your area. You can do this by contacting Spectrum's customer service or checking their official social media pages for updates.
Contact Spectrum support.
Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Spectrum's technical support. They can help diagnose and resolve the issue, or schedule a technician visit if necessary. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot your Spectrum Wi-Fi when it's connected but not working. We hope this video has been helpful and you're able to get back online soon. If you have any other issues or questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section below. Happy surfing!